How to make an origami Valentine card. Grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to the top edge. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold the end piece over and crease it down. Open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Fold the paper in half. Open it up and fold the bottom points towards the centre by around 2 centimeters. Try to make both sides as symmetrical as possible. Now fold the 2 sides into the centre line. Turn the paper over and fold these sides into the centre line. Fold the top point down to the bottom. Now turn the paper over and fold these ends towards the centre by around 1.5 centimeters. Now open it up and tuck the corners inside. Done. Oh wow, a Valentine's card. I love your YouTube channel. Oh, that's really nice. Did you see who it was? Huh? The person that wrote me the card. I thought you wrote it. Oh, thanks. You were meant to pretend that someone dropped it off. Oh. Well, I look like an idiot now, don't I, for writing my own card. Never mind, I'll live with it. That's the spirit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.